that outlived me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan.
Alright, I'm pulling up on this one and I see the actual scooter, so I'm about to go collect that one. We're gonna see what exactly happens when I grab this. We got two people sitting over here, so maybe one of them used it, so we'll see. Let's check it out, man. It's a bad thing. A lot of bad things. You wishing on me. What's going on, fellas?
What's up?
Not much, man. Trying to collect these scooters.
You just said that shit. Hey, no, I wanna know.
That's how it work, man.
You got a GPS on, bro? Hey,
Yeah, they got
GPS. You just said
GPS. They know where it's at.
So
man.
they went. Cause I was just asking, cause I know I see the youngsters riding it up here through the neighborhood. I said that was the same youngster that was riding. I said, why he left it right there in the middle of the thing? And he was saying like, man, them folks got low jacks on them type of thing for the. And they do,
the first day of school was out, and them three little boys just went down there. Well, you know what I'm saying? Well,
Yeah.
ain't fuck shit.
But Jay, you can, you know what I'm saying? You can ride them anywhere. They got a squad that come pick them up,
pick 'em up,
and
charge
I
them.
done got a truck
okay.
down. That's
Okay.
it, y'all.
So that's how they leave them around,
Yeah.
They
pick them up. As long as they don't damage it,
Yeah.
What
What a charge to rent them? How much an hour to rent them?
It's $1 to start it.
$1 to start.
$1 to start and 15 cents per minute.
50 minutes a minute.
So you can ride around town.
Yeah.
15 cents per minute.
Like you feel like walking, you know what I'm saying?
You can ride around town.
Yeah, like
35 miles an hour, just
And
roll.
then what? After you done,
After you finish,
you gotta
just
take them back.
just
Or
hop
put 'em at the
off.
station.
You download the app, just hop off and then hit the app that you finish.
Yeah.
And just leave it there.
and leave it wherever you want.
Wherever you want.
Yeah.
Oh, so that
So
don't necessarily mean they stole it from somebody.
No, not necessarily. Like now, if somebody take it and put it in their house,
Yeah.
then you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying,
they
we
gonna
can
find
still
it.
see it. It's in the house.
They can see everything.
Yeah, you just see just.
I know that shit, yeah. Just like them green boxes, yeah.
They got cameras.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
So-
Everybody watching. Yeah.
Okay.
So they send people like me to come out, pick them up, but
that's
they,
the job. That's the job.
you know what I'm saying, they charge, make that one of them right there is $5.
Yeah.
You pick that one up, take it home, charge it, and drop it off by morning time.
Yeah.
Right.
We get paid $5.
You good. But whoever really rent the shit, some more extra money coming off their shit. But then
But
they
they
brought
can
it
leave
back.
it anywhere though.
Yeah, you can leave it anywhere.
Yeah.
What?
But they
Yeah.
start out from Midtown,
Yeah,
all the way
downtown.
Atlanta,
Oh.
Virginia Highlands,
like-
Buckhead.
What I was saying, like if, like say I seen the.
You ain't feel like walking.
And what
You
if
can get- rent one up there.
what if I didn't rent it, I ain't do nothing to it, and I
Right.
jump on it and start riding somewhere on it.
Yeah, that's what it is. Like right now, that still got like 47% battery life.
Yeah.
So all you gotta do is download the app, scan it,
Yeah.
start
What if
riding.
I ain't, it wasn't mine, like I said.
If you ain't scanning or nothing like
Don't
that.
move. It might don't move.
Oh, okay.
No, it'll move, but it still got the brake on it,
Yeah.
and it'll beat. The alarm will go off.
Okay.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
See,
yeah.
like I'll show you. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man, that's some shit, boy.
Yeah. So, you know,
That's some shit. Yeah.
see, it's hard to push. You ain't going nowhere,
Okay.
and we know the alarm going off too. So you know, just monitor. So,
Hey, big man, how long you working for them?
they just started maybe about 3 weeks ago.
They just started doing them right
I
there.
know I seen the bicycles.
Yeah, they started
Mhm.
doing scooters.
Yeah, the bicycle's a different company.
Yeah, that's what they do.
This company right here, they started out in California, San Diego. Now they got it in Texas. They got them in Memphis,
Yeah.
DC. They got them everywhere. Now Atlanta popping. So
It pay good?
yeah, I mean yeah.
That what's up? Yeah,
If you got see like my car right there, I could fit about 12 in there.
Yeah, that what's up? Yeah. Get
You know
that
what I'm saying?
money,
So
Yeah.
and then the base pay is $5, but the later it gets, the more money they charge. Like, you know what I'm saying? They'll have some where like $7 you pick it up, or
Yeah.
some be like, okay, you get that scooter right there, that's a $20 scooter.
Right.
I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
that's how it work, man.
They got some more sophisticated than that right there.
I mean, they all the same.
Oh, yeah.
They all the same.
But yo, check this out. I know you gonna work overtime for this Memorial Weekend. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Well, actually, it's gonna be raining, so once the rain
Yeah,
hit,
when the rain start, yeah.
they pay us to come pick them all up off the street,
Yeah, that was up.
cause the rain will mess it up. Hey,
Yeah.
there's the money laying around the city.
Yeah, right. Yeah.